What's up everybody, Chris Evans here, back with another unboxing video, and today we're going to be unboxing the Galactic purple DualSense for the PS5. We got our trusty knife here that we're going to be using to open this bad boy up, so let's stick it in. I don't really know how this, there we go. There we go. You try not to want to damage the box a little too much, you know? So just do what I did. You should be good. Let's see. How does this open? I think you just, well, there look like a tab here that you can pull, but it's not quite coming out. So just give it a good tug, right? That's all there is to it. Just like that. There we go. Okay, see, nice and easy with the box. You want to be gentle with these. And here we go. There's this nice little package. And wow, that looks amazing, actually. I love the color of it. Wow. Okay. All right. That is really nice. Well, that's gonna do it for this unboxing video. I don't quite know what else you were expecting from unboxing this, but it's a PS5 controller. It works like any other PS5 controller. It's just a different color.